This is what we call the fake Copa. Now, the reason why we make a combination like this long is because there are many, many elements where you can practice what you already learned in the other videos. Okay, so a lot of preparation for double turns for the lady coming from a check. Now, it starts quite simple or difficult if you want. You start with a crossbody lead, changing hands, 5, 6, 7, and now, of course, you can always choose to do a single turn. In this case, I would advise you to practice to go for a double turn, bringing your hand up on 7. We're starting for a double turn with the right, hand hold, 1, 2, double, 5, 6, and 7. On 7, my left hand is waiting for her left hand, and now this right hand goes straight overhead in a straight line in 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to turn her in, keeping my left hand down, 5, and now with this left hand I'm going to push towards the elbow, 6, 7 to make her turn. You can also use your right hand on her shoulder to give an extra impulse. Now remember, you're now doing intermediate 2, or intermediate 3, I'm sorry. In intermediate 2 level, we would step forward, 1. But on the intermediate 3 level, what we're trying to do here is to practice that you can stop the lady to go into a new preparation. So guys, what you have to do with your left hand is keep it tight towards your body and now step in place. Do not step forward. If you step forward, it's very hard to stop her, you see? Because if you go forward, she goes forward. We're going to step in place. And 1, and 2, and 3. And now here we open for what we call an outside turn, touch and go. So again, we're from this angle. And 1, and 2, and 3. We're going to turn her with our right hand. The left hand is going to let go very briefly. 5, 6, and 7, ending up on this side. We're now going to step back and 1, 2, and we're going to stop her by giving some resistance, some push on this hand. Now, stop it on 7, or actually on 3. 1, 2, 3, and now we're going to push her to the left on 5, 5. I'm going to push her back with my left hand on 6, and on 7, you're turning her out, okay? Let me show it to you from this angle as well. 1, 2, you stop her on the 3rd count. I am pushing her back to her left on 5. I am stepping with my right foot. I'm now going to push her back with this hand on 6, bringing up my right hand, 6, finishing here on 7. Okay, so this is what we actually call the fake Copa. Actually, when you do a Copa here, you can also send her to the left back, or you can send her in reverse, but now we're going to send her left, right, and finish. Okay, from here, guys, we're going to let it go after 6, 7. We're going to go 5, 6, 7. You let go, and now you're switching this hand. We're going to go under 1, 2, turning her in, 5, 6, 7. Again, keep the hand very tight. Double turn from the prep. 1, 2, double, 5, 6, and 7. Okay? So from the beginning, slowly. 1, 2, cross. Changing hands, double turn. 1, 2, double. 5, 6, 7, left hand. Keep it down. 5, 6, preparation. 1, 2, touch and go. 5 and 6, stepping back. 1, 2, fake. 5, 6, change hands on 7, my right hand. 1, 2, turning her in. 5, 6, 7. You can actually do like a little shoulder check here, prep. 1, 2, double. 5, 6, and 7. Okay, from this angle. Changing hands, 7, 1, 2, double, 5, 6, overhead, 1, keep it down, 5, 6, keep it short, prep, touch and go, 5, 6, stepping back, 1, fake Copa, 5, changing hands, go under 2 and 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, double, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, and 3. As an extra tip for the fake Copa, we're now going to focus only on the part where you're going to send her from left to right. Here we go. 1, 2, cross, 5, 6, 7. I'm going to show it to you in a way that you can also do it on the dance floor. We're going to change hands. Your left hand is down, turning her in place. And now we're going to step back for the fake Copa. 1, 2, and 3. Now, what is very important is that her arm is like a V, but the other arm also. So guys, be sure that you do not bring your hands down, and be also sure you do not keep them too high. The way it is easy for her to give resistance is when you keep the hands on shoulder height. Okay? So when we show to you from this angle, after the crossbody lead, changing hands, giving her one turn, and now we step back, 1, 2, 3. So as you can see, her arms are almost like the letter W. Okay? So from here, I'm going to send her to her left. Now, what is important for the ladies is that if you relax the arm, then this is what happens. So you have to be sure that when he pushes, that you push back. But don't push too hard, because if you push too hard, your arm will be stretched out and you will force him down. So just give the energy back that he is giving you. Now, this is a very good exercise. Okay? If you want to practice this with a partner, it's very nice to do this. I'm sending her with my right hand to the left, and with my left hand sending her back, just like this. Okay? And as you can see, it's very relaxed. So this is the third count. I'm going to push her to her left 5. Now I'm going to push her back 6, bringing up the hand 6, and now relax on 7. And like this, guys, this is a nice way of doing it on the dance floor. You can even finish with one more turn on 5, 6, 7. Okay, so from this angle, 1, 2, crossbody lead, 5, changing hands, 1, turn in place, 5, 6, open, 1, 2, 3, and 5, and 6, and 7. Guys, be sure that in 7, you place your right foot in front of your partner, turning her one more time here, and going here, okay? From this angle, 1, 2, cross, changing hands, go forward, 1, turn in place, 5, 6, 7, shoulder height, 2, the left, right. Basic step, 1, turn your partner, 5, 6, 7, and here you can continue in a new crossbody lead.